continues to the date of the 13th of February 2020. There was held a meeting in the primary organizations Buston and Navruz of Norak town to explain the points of the message of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, respected Emomali Rahmon to Majlisi Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan, and the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan. At the meeting, the responsible persons talking about the important points of the present message of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, respected Emomali Rahmon to Majlisi Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan, noticed that as the important issues voiced in the message of the leader of nation, it is the position of women and youth in society and raise awareness of the people about the danger of terrorism, extremism and ways to prevent them. From this point of view, we patriot citizens must collectively fight against these negative phenomena of time. At the end, the residents of this street unanimously supported the party's program and noted that they actively take part in the elections and vote for the worthy candidate. A political reading was conducted in the primary organization Khadgon Hospital to explain the contents of the message of the leader of nation, respected Emomali Rahmon, with participation of responsible party employees. Taking part and addressing at the meeting the responsible persons of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Kulob town and the secretary of this primary organization noted that the message of the leader of nation to Majlisi Oli includes all spheres of the national economy, while after each message is carried out a new period of progress and prosperity of the country. From message to message, the solution of vital issues of the country is always in the focus of the leader of nation, and at the same time great efforts are being made to improve the living standard and welfare of the people. In other words, the message is as an engine that accelerates the pace of the state and statehood mechanism every year and create favorable conditions for the implementation of long-term of national aspirations. There took place a fruitful meeting in the primary organizations Tut and Pamir on the territory of Kalimi Rural Jamaat of Abdurrahmani Jomi district on the promotion of the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan to clarify the content of the message of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, the leader of nation Dia Emomali Rahmon to Majlisi Oli. During the conversation, the responsible person noted that the leader of nation in his next message noted that the government of Tajikistan pays special attention to investments in economic sectors as the main means of industrialization, implement specific measures to improve the investment climate and attract more direct investment. At the end of the event, residents of up-mentioned mahallas will actively take part in the upcoming elections. With participation of workers of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Baljuwan district and other invited persons, a meeting and a conversation was organized between women and girls artisans around the important points of the message of the nation's leader, respected Emomali Rahmon, the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, including the revival and development of folk crafts in the framework of the years of development of villages, tourism and folk crafts. In his speech, the management of Executive Committee noted that the announcement of the year of development of villages, tourism and folk crafts was a serious impact for our people in the revival and development of folk crafts of the ancestors. A new modern center was commissioned in Baljuwan district in 2019 with the support of the leader of nation, which today more than 16 women and girls have received permanent jobs and a good salary. Baljuwan considered one of the ancient and tourist areas of the region, where every female craftswoman needs to play a unique role in the progress and development of folk crafts with a high political and cultural perception. In order to explain the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan for 2020-2025, representatives of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Farkhor district conducted a political reading in the primary organization Nawabadi Poyon of Zafar Rural Jamaat. At the political reading, the responsible persons explained the autobiography and the pre-election program of the candidate for deputies of Majlisi Namoyandagan of Majlisi Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan from the electoral district Farkhor 34 and the positive qualities of candidates for deputies of local majlises of people's deputies. At the same time, they will stress on some important issues of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan's pre-election program for 2020-2025. A meeting took place in the primary party organization Nurafshon of Levakan town with participation of the working group of Town Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in order to promote the party's program and its candidates in the elections of people's deputies. At the meeting, it was noticed that transparent and democratic conduct of elections depends on every citizen of the country. Each voter has the right to vote once. During the meeting, People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan pre-election program prepared under the slogan for the progress and the decent life of the people, which is the most important directions of the country's development in the next 5 years, was presented to the population, and we explained some of its points. A meeting was held in the hall of the hospital of Muminobod district with the population and members of the primary party organization Apartoev of Muminobod Jamaat settlement of Muminobod district. Responsible persons of executive committee spoke in connection with the next message of the leader of nations, the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, and instructed residents to do creative and construction work. The leadership of Jamaat settlement told about important pre-election political campaigns and asked those present to be active in the elections. In order to explain priority areas of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan activity which are reflection of our national values in the complex modern world, a meeting was held with residents of Kalai Hussain of Panj district. The responsible persons of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Panj district talked about the creative goals of the party and the policy pursued by the leader of nation, at the same time on the preparations to important political campaign elections of deputies to Majlis Oli and local Majlises. The meeting of employees of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Temur Malik district is the primary organization Shibanai was held in connection with the agitation of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan program and its candidate for Majlis Namoyandagon of Majlis Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan and local Majlises of People's Deputies. At the beginning of his speech, the leadership of Executive Committee expressed his views to review the content of the next message of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, respected Emomali Rahmon, to Majlis Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan and local councils of people's deputies, and stressed that the implementation of recommendations and directions arising from the current year message is a crucial task of each of us. In order to celebrate the 30th anniversary of state independence, we must establish more creative works to celebrate this holiday of the state and nation with valuable achievements. The responsible persons of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Muminobod district conducted a meeting with residents of Tutkabul village of the Hibawan rural Jamaat of the district in order to promote the program goals of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan. At the meeting was explained the next message of the leader of nation, and residents were invited to creative and constructive works. During the meeting, there were expressed views on the pre-election campaigns and the pre-election program of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, and was discussed the importance of each voter's participation in the elections.